Hey there, it's Mark. Welcome to Truckin' Tuesday. You know, I was not planning on having a Truckin' Tuesday video today, but I found this at the store and it's like, I gotta do a video right away. Here we have HW Park and Play. That is one of the weirdest looking trucks. How are you supposed to see out? It's a little slide. But what caught my eye, look at that, Bassline. Bassline doesn't get released that often very much anymore, but we'll go ahead and open it up and check it out. Now, normally I would show you the back, but what in the world do you think it says? Special feature. Special feature? What is a special feature going to be? I don't know. Not only that, you look at it. Where's the ramp? You're going to thunk, right? You're going to try. I don't know if there's an opening ramp. Looks like we have plenty of room for a turning radius. Another thing, by the way, graphics. Exclusive graphics, it looks like, to go along with the truck. To be honest, there was a time when they would release cars like this one right here. That car, I think that car was released before. But anyways, they kind of took a break from doing matching new designs. They basically would take an old Hot Wheels release and then make a truck to match the decorations. But not this time. I don't want you to see it. This time, it looks like we have a brand new design. Got a little cubby hole. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think is the special feature? This is kind of cool. Let's go ahead and check out that ramp. Not much of a ramp. Well, at least he landed right, but as far as getting up the ramp, there's no ramp. There's nothing there. And a big old hole in the middle. Well, it's a good thing that the tires are wide, so this way it doesn't fall into the hole. But I do like that it has that groove right there, so this way your Bassline or whatever model you choose to put up there doesn't fall off. Got a spot. I don't know what that would be. I don't know if that's for longer models. I'm not sure what that is. It has a cubby hole. Anyways, let's take a look at the cab. Kind of weird. I don't know, Egyptian? What in the world? How are you supposed to see? This is just weird. But it's cool. I'm getting there. There's a reason why I haven't done this. Let's check squeaky wheels real quick. Nope. Turning radius. Lots of room to turn. The only thing is this thing's a little stiff. And you know what? Yeah, it's snug. You can't turn. Maybe this is going to work out a little bit. You can't pop it apart, but I don't know why they made it so snug. Look how snug it is. You would want this to be loose, because when you're driving, right, you want to be able to turn. Instead, you're going to be drifting. Well, what do you think? What's that for? Let me go ahead and show you. Here we go. Yeah, it's to hold yourself. Oops. That didn't work out. Let's see. Keep it straight. No, I think you want this to be like a leg. I don't want it to tip over, so I'm going to make it stick out. I wonder if that's why it's stiff. Yeah, it's for your cell phone. And then, check it out. Yeah, it's basically to hold your cell phone or maybe your iPod if you still have one. Put it in there, and then the sound goes down, and it comes out that little boost. Well, why did they include Bassline with it? Well, let's check that out too. In case you didn't know, this is from the Acceleracers. And that's right, one of the models was Bassline. That's Scirocco, and there's his Acceleracers Bassline.
Yo, let's pump up the baseline.
This is about the 15th anniversary of Acceleracers. So many kids are now grown up. It's pretty cool that they chose Bassline to go with this truck, even though the truck might not be all that great as far as its actual function. Before Acceleracers, there was Highway 35. I have a playlist of all the videos I've done with those models, and an Acceleracers playlist as well. Even the Hot Wheels drone sweeper, I reviewed that too. Don't forget about my Track Time channel. Thank you for watching. Have fun with your toys. Bye bye.